Hey guys, today I'm going to explain how you can download and install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 operating system. So, first of all, open the Microsoft Edge browser or any other browser which is available on your operating system. So just open. After you open the browser, in the search bar, type it as Google Chrome. Just enter. Now we can able to see lot of results here. So just scroll down. You can see so much of link here. So out of all, I am going to select first link. Just click on the link. Now we can see the download Chrome button here. So now what I am going to do is just I am going to scroll down until end. So when I am scrolling also, the download Chrome button is coming into this corner. Okay, so just I am scrolling down. See, now also you can see the Chrome button here. So what I am going to do is just I am clicking the download Chrome button. After you click the download Chrome button, you can see this window. So now what I am going to do is just click the accept and install button. So just click the accept and install button. Now this Chrome setup is downloading. Now just open the file. Just click on run. Click on yes. Now your download processing is going on. So just wait few minutes. It will take time. Now Google Chrome is installing. Now just click Get Start button. Click Next. Just here, whatever the pictures you like, you can make as a background on Google Chrome. So just I'm selecting this one picture. Just click on Next. Click on No Thanks here. Now, so I hope you gather some knowledge from this video. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I will see you with another video.